Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Microsoft Edge from running in the background. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Computer Configuration. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click and expand Microsoft Edge. Open, allow Microsoft Edge to pre-launch at Windows Startup, when the system is idle, and each time Microsoft Edge is closed. Check, disabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart Windows system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.